Hello and welcome back to another video from Affiliate Marketing Money. Today we're going to talk about how to copy and paste videos and earn $100 to $300 per day on YouTube. You can make money just by copying and pasting videos, and we're going to teach you how. First of all, we want to invite you to subscribe to our channel. Obviously, we are in the YouTube business as well. We make videos on how to make money online for you and to help people out have a source of income during these hard times of COVID. Basically, we do videos on how to make money and compilations on videos of how to make money. Please be sure to check them out. But I'm about to teach you how to make money yourself by copying and pasting videos. Now, if we look at these results on YouTube, we have a lot of stuff like Zoom fails. We have a lot of stuff like private jet tour, a lot of stuff like 3 creepy real movie theater horror stories, right? So these are 3 of the categories of the stuff that sells the most: luxury, scary stories, compilations of videos, and we're gonna see it all throughout YouTube. If you go and look at your YouTube feed, you're gonna see a lot of this stuff, and this is what I refer to by making money by copying and pasting videos. For example, we have this guy right here, Mr. Nightmare. Mr. Nightmare has 5 million subscribers. This video has over 2 million views, almost 3 million, and basically it's just a video of stock footage, right? So stock pictures or stock video, zooming in or zooming out, and with a scary story in the background. His last video right here, 528,000 views 6 days ago, 625,000 views 1 week ago, right? So he's getting a lot of views. And again, as I'm saying, his videos are not that complicated. They're not that intricate. Basically, it's just pictures and a voiceover, so it's very easy. He just copies and pastes the picture, he adds a couple of effects, he adds a voiceover, and he's making this much, in between $989 and $15,000 a month in earnings. That's right, he's making an average of about $75,000 a year from YouTube. And it is possible for you to do so as well. It is possible for anybody to do so as well. We have to remember that YouTube is a very traffic channel. It's a channel that a lot of people go through and a lot of people watch stuff day by day. Now we have here this guy named Spacey. Spacey made a video about the evolution of Mr. Beast. If you don't know who Mr. Beast is a viral YouTube video maker, right? So this guy has a lot of subscribers, he has a lot of followers, and so Spacey dedicated time to making a video of his evolution, and as you can see, he's dedicated time to making videos about several YouTube famous people that other people are interested about. So let's take a look over here. Let's see how much money Spacey is making for making videos about other people who make videos. He's making between $635 and $10,000 a month from making videos about other people making videos. So as you can see, this is a very profitable market. Now this person right here, Asilan, she makes videos of other videos, but she puts herself in them, right? So this girl, she will react to the videos, comment on the videos, right? This is a little more intricate. This is not just copying and pasting, but basically she doesn't have to do her own content in a way. She just reacts to stuff, and her reactions are funny, and she adds a few effects, and those effects give it a little more flair, and people like it. People follow her, people look at her videos. If we see this video right here, this is the most amazing cakes ever made compilation. So she just took pictures of awesome cakes that she liked, and she started reacting to them, and then a lot of people watched that video. That's how it works. She has over 12 million subscribers, which is awesome, good for her, and she is probably making a ton of money. Let's see how much money she's making from YouTube by doing this video. She's making in between $46,000 and $742,000 a month. That is a month. She could be making up to almost $9 million a year. This girl is insane. She's making a lot of money from this, and we can see that other people take other approaches. For example, this guy did a compilation of what could go wrong, the ultimate best fail compilations, right? So this is all funny videos that he compiled in one large video, and then if you click over here, we can see his channel has a lot of views, over 1 million subscribers. His last video has over 572,000 videos from 3 weeks ago, and then if we go and look to see how much he's earning, we are gonna see if his work is worth it, right? So he's uploaded 88 videos and he's making right now between $3.8 and $61,000 a month, right? That is insane. That is a ton of money. So again, this is a very profitable market. People are looking for stuff to watch, and if you provide it to them, you can monetize it and you can make a lot of money with it. So now there are a few rules that you have to follow, and if you follow these rules, you might be able to make a viral channel that will make you tons of money. The first rule is you have to make content people want to watch. The second rule is monetize your channel, and the third rule is follow first use rules. So pick a niche, pick something that you want to talk about, and then make sure it's something people want to watch. Then make sure you follow all the rules and give credit to everybody who deserves credit, and also make sure that you can monetize your channel. So if you follow these steps, these rules, I'm pretty sure you are going to be able to find some kind of success on YouTube. And if you're constant enough, you might be able to make it and even become it could become your only source of income, not just an extra source of income, right? But you could be making in between $100 and $300 a day on YouTube, easy. So make sure you check it out, make sure you sign up. As I said, we are constantly bringing videos on how to make money online. We are trying to help people find new ways to make an income during these hard times in 2020. And if you find this video helpful at all, if you think some people can benefit from this, people that could have their own YouTube channel because you find them hilarious or something, tell them to check out this video. We would love for you to share this video. We appreciate the fact that you're watching it. We hope you watch our other videos that we have on how to make money online, and we hope that you find them helpful. If you do, please subscribe to the channel, give us a like, leave a comment. Any kind of interaction will be greatly appreciated. We want to thank you very much from Affiliate Marketing Money for watching our video, and we hope to see you again on our next videos on how to make money online. We hope you had a good time. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you later.